Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Rubel. So today we will learn how to download and install MySQL on Windows operating system. So let's get started. So let me share my second window. So the first I will open the Chrome and go to the Google homepage, and I'm going to search like download MySQL installer. Then I'm going to the official site, which is dev.mysql.com. So click on download MySQL installer. And after this, I'm going to click the second option and just click no thanks, just start my download. Or if you want to sign up, you can just click on sign up. For me, I'm going to click no thanks. So as soon as you click no thanks, it will start download. So it will take a based on your computer speed, like it will take a few minutes. So I'm going to stop downloading because before I create this video, I already download. So after download is complete, it will looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to click double click on it. So it will open the another windows. So user account control, I'm going to say yes. So click yes again. So the installation process has been started. Okay, so just leave default, developer default, click next. So the location will be like the program file, then MySQL arguments, and this is the the path that MySQL will be stored. So click next. So there is give the warning. You still have a warning with the you selected path. Are you sure you want to continue? So it's say like I already have MySQL in that location, and if I want to continue the same location, so I will say yes, and it will overwrite with the new one. Okay, so just click yes, and you see the manual like this two product is required for installation. So for me, I'm going to just click next, and it will give you the one or product requirement have not been satisfied. Do you want to continue? I say yes. Then just execute. So now it will take again a few more minutes to. Right now is installing all these components. So I'm going to stop share and I'll come back. It took about 5 minutes to complete all these components. So everything is look good. So now click next. Next. And as you see, it's a port number. It will use the port number 3306. And everything looks good. I'm not going to touch anything. So click next. And authentication method, use the strong password encryption for authenticate. So click next. So here I have to provide my password, and very important that we have to copy this password somewhere, because this is the password that we are going to use when we are going to connect our website with the MySQL. So I can say just password 123 special character. So I'm going to say password, or I'm open the notepad here, so it will be better. So I would say password 123 special character. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here and paste here. And also I'm going to save this one, and the username is always root. by default. We are not going to change that. So let me save as, and let me save in download as well. And I say MySQL credential. Okay. So it is very, very important you remember this password. If you don't remember, then you have to uninstall the MySQL from your computer, then install again. Okay, so let me minimize this and click next. And click next, execute. So it will do the configuration again, and it will take a few minutes again. So I'll come back when it's done. Actually, it's done. So click finish. Then it will go for product configuration. So click next. MySQL router configuration. I am not going to change anything, just using management user is root. And let me bootstrap MySQL router. So just click finish, do not touch anything. Then click next. And here I have to provide the password that I create. So let me go back, copy the password, and then click check. So connection successful. Next, click execute. So click finish. Then click next again. So I'm going to click finish. So looks like the MySQL installation has been completed. So by default, when you install freshly, so it will be looks like this. So now if I double click, and here, this is the place where I have to provide the password. So copy this password and paste. So it has been taken, and this is the default database, which looks like. So now let me pull over anything, any data from the existing database. So this is like the Sakila, like this in coming as a default. So let me click on city, select 100 rows. So it's like our installation for MySQL is completed. Okay, thank you.